Thank you everyone. I am Priyanka and welcome to my second tutorial. In the last tutorial, we saw a very simple program in C++. It was Hello World. Now in this lesson, we will try to modify the sample program so that it does something more interesting, which is input and output statements. But before that, we also have learned how any C++ program is structured. Simply the skeleton of a program. In this case, we'll begin with the header file as #include iostream. The next line using namespace std. The #include iostream specifies the library from which you would like to use some functions. At this point in time, we will use only int main function. So to proceed with our input and output statements, suppose we would like to ask the user to enter their age. Now the question is that how to read the age entered by the user. In order to do that, we have to use cin statement. To proceed, first step, we will have the #include header file. Then using namespace std in the next line, and we'll use the in main function again. But in between, we'll have some statements. In this case, our first or initial starting point would be variable declaration. We will have int age only in this case. So there is a comment, first variable declaration. In the next line, we will ask the user to please enter the age. In this case, we'll have cout statement. Please enter your age. Semicolon. In the next line, we will ask the user to enter age. In order to enter age, we will use cin. The operator angle braces reads input from cin and then it writes to variable age in this case. In the next line, we will have simple cout statement. It greets a programmer or user rather in a new line and says you are years old. Semicolon. And by default, we have written 0 already from our last program. So let us save the program, compile, and run your program. So it asks the user to please enter the age. In this case, the user enters, for example, 14. So the output screen displays that hello, you are 14 years old. But there is one thing we could notice, that you are 14 years old, there is no space. So to improve that, we are to have a space in between. Now try to run your program again. Compile and run the program. So again, if I type 14, the program says, hello, you are 14 years old. Thanks for watching. See ya, we'll meet again.